Hi, this video will tell you all about the Amontillado Sherry and what dishes you can serve together with this wine. So please stay tuned. Hi, my name is Lars Holmberg, the creator of Vino Vibras, the place for wine lovers to get information about Spanish wine, fortified wine, and hopefully give you an idea what you can do with these wines. This is a series of 5 videos. This is number 3. The 2 previous was sherry as an aperitif and sherry together with a starter. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a link below for you. Today we'll have a look at Amontillado Sherry together with a middle course. The next video will be the main course with a good sherry, and the last video will be dessert and a sherry. So please consider to hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. I have decided to serve a risotto with mushrooms for a middle course. Together with an Amontillado from González Bías, is called Viña AB. González Bías is a bodega founded in 1835 and is placed in Jerez de la Frontera. You have the wine here. The color is amber. The smell is hazelnut, caramel. The taste is a dry wine, smooth with a orange peel. Aftertaste, hazelnut, some saltiness, some bitterness. Very nice wine. And while you have the first sip of the Amontillado wine, you can tell your friends about how it's been produced. After the harvest of the Palomino Fino grapes, the press and the first fermentation, which takes about two weeks, you have a very young sherry wine with alcohol of only 12%. You fortify that till 15, like an Fino, and then you put it into the Solera system. During the Solera system, you'll see a yeast start to develop called velo de flor or flower wheel. This yeast will secure that the wine is not exposed to oxygen, and it will start to eat the sugar within the wine, meaning that you will get a very bone dry wine that is totally white. After 4 years in the Fino Solero, you take it out and put it into the Amontillado Solero for another 8 years. The yeast will live until 7-8 years. Then it has no more sugar and it will die. Then the wine will be exposed to oxygen. Oxidation aging is called. Then it will be like when you cut an apple. The wine gets more brown because of the oxygen. The alcohol contents will increase because of the vapor of the water within the barrels. And after 12 years, you have an Amontillado. You could say it's a 12 years old Fino, but it's not really a Fino because it's been exposed to oxygen. Nowadays you can have less expensive Amontillado, whereby the producers are killing the yeast after 2 or 3 years by fortifying it to 17.5%, then the yeast is killed, and then you'll have a quick produced Amontillado. This one from González BS, the Viña AB, is a real produced Amontillado. It hasn't been fortified after. So this is the real McCoy. I'm sure you'll like it. Please, if you like the video, hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. Give a comment on how you find the Amontillado compared to Fino or Manzanilla. Until then, for the next video, which will be for the main course, I would say Buon provecho.